Hey fragrance fam, if you're looking for a go-to soy wax that'll make a great go-to for your natural candles and melts, look no further than AFI Premium 4600 Soy Wax. It's one of our most popular in-house waxes. So today I'm going to show you guys how we use it to make a candle using our version of the fragrance Seagrass Sage by the Flaming Candle. The 4600 blend comes in granular form starting at 15 pounds with order quantities going all the way up to 36 cases with free shipping. It's 100% soy, so you can add the infinite label appeal of this beloved wax to your candles. It's ideal for use in containers and clamshell molds. Because it's 100% soy, it won't hold up as well if you use it to make pillar candles. The 4600 blend has a melting point of 115 degrees Fahrenheit. As with all of our waxes, we recommend heating the wax until it melts and reaches a temperature of about 185 degrees Fahrenheit, so the wax molecules spread apart enough to let the fragrance blend in thoroughly. Remove it from the heat and add the fragrance at 175 degrees Fahrenheit. We recommend a fragrance load of 6 to 10% in this wax. Fragrances of all kinds work well as long as you stick within this range. As always, experiment with different fragrance loads based on how strong the fragrance is. When it comes to very strong fragrances, sometimes less is more. Too much fragrance and you risk leaching or wick clogging. Because the 4600 blend is 100% soy, any candle dyes you add will come out looking slightly pale or pastel. You may also notice soy frosting along the walls of the jar. This is totally normal and won't negatively impact your candle. So our version of Seagrass and Sage by the Flaming Candle is citrusy and herbal with that signature touch of wood that takes you straight to a breezy beachside. So we recommend an 8% fragrance load for a strong throw with this particular fragrance because of its gentle profile, but adjust this as needed based on your own desired outcome. Stir well so it blends thoroughly into the wax. The better it's mixed, the stronger your hot throw will be. We recommend pouring our 4600 soy wax between 135 and 140 degrees Fahrenheit in containers and 130 degrees in clamshell molds. Make sure it's allowed to cool slowly and steadily in a warm room to prevent sinkholes and wet spots. If you love the natural qualities of soy, we're sure this one will be a hit in your candles. You can find it alongside other waxes and bases on the AFI web store linked down below. So stay tuned for more spotlights on our waxes and bases so you can make AFI your one-stop shop for home fragrance-based businesses. Subscribe so you guys don't miss it, and I'll catch you guys in the next video really soon. Thanks for watching. Bye, fragrance fam!